Hello everyone. So in the previous lecture, we have converted the raw JSON string into a Python dictionary so that it can be easily accessed. So this is what the output we have got. But here you can see it has responded that I apologize, but I do not have enough context to provide a meaningful response. So there could be some issue in the script. Let's see. I think we have to mention F here. Let me save and re-execute. Now we have got the correct response. Now next is we need to return the model's response. So first I am going to write the command for that and then I am going to explain. So I just want to return the model's response. So final response is saved into this variable, that is response underscore body. So here you have to use return space and response underscore body dot get, and here you have to specify the key, that is completion. And if in case you have not received any output from the model, then just mention this one, no response received. This one. Okay. Let me save this one. Perfect. Now again I am going to execute my script. This time let me ask some different question. Tell me a joke. So here you can see the model has responded. Let me again execute my script. And what is AI? So you can see that we have created a chatbot and it's very interactive. You can simply ask a question and the model that you have defined in your script, it is responding well. So friend, that's all for this lecture. In the next lecture, I am going to show you few more important things about this project.